Do you say I have went or I have gone? If you are unsure, you are not alone. In this video, we'll fix the most common mistakes people make with irregular verbs. Let's start learning and stop guessing. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the normal ed pattern in the past tense. For example, go, went, gone. You must memorize their forms because they don't follow a rule. Regular verb walk, walked, walked. Irregular verb eat, ate, eaten. Learners often confuse the past tense and past participle. This means many people mistakenly use the past tense we to instead of past participle in perfect tense structures. Grammar rule has, have, had must always be followed by the past participle V3 form of the verb, not just the past tense. I have went to school. It's an incorrect sentence. Went is the past tense V2 of go. It is incorrect because we are using have, which needs the V3 form. Correct example: I have gone to school. Gone is the past participle of go. Correct usage with have. She has ate dinner. It is also an incorrect sentence. It is wrong because ate is the past tense. The correct sentence is she has eaten dinner. It is correct because eaten is the past participle. Always remember, past tense V2 is used on its own. For example, I went, whereas past participle V3 is used with has, have, or had. For example, I have gone. Mistake number 2: mixing present and past, which happens when learners incorrectly use past forms in place of simple present tense. Sometimes learners use past forms when talking about the present. This means learners mistakenly use past participles or past tense verbs when they should use the base form to describe regular or daily actions. That is the simple present tense. He gone to the market. It is incorrect sentence. It is wrong because gone is the past participle. This sentence sounds like you are using perfect tense, but without the necessary helping verb has. The correct sentence is he goes to the market every day. It is correct because it's simple present tense sentence about a habitual action. Goes is the correct present tense form of go for he, she, it. Grammar tip: in simple present tense, use the base form V1 of the verb. For I, you, we, they, use the base verb form. For example, go, eat, study. For he, she, it, add s or es to the base verb. For example, goes, eats, studies. If you are talking about a daily or regular activity, like something that happens every day, don't use the past tense or past participle. Use the base form or its present tense variation. Common mistake 3. This portion explains irregular verbs in questions, which is about incorrect verb forms used after did in questions. Be careful with auxiliary verbs in question. This highlights a very common mistake: using the past form of the verb after did, which is grammatically incorrect. Did you went to school? It is an incorrect sentence. It is wrong because went is the past tense V2. The word did already shows that the sentence is in the past. So you don't need another past tense verb. Did you go to school? It is correct sentence because go is the base form V1. Did is the auxiliary helping verb. that handles the past tense. After did or did not, always use base form of the main verb. Some more examples. Did she ate breakfast? The correct sentence is did she eat breakfast? Did they gone home? The correct sentence is did they go home? Did he saw the movie? The correct sentence is did he see the movie? Did already makes the sentence past tense. So the main verb should stay in its base form. Don't double up on past tense form. Common mistake number 4. Confusing similar verbs. Focusing on irregular verbs that look and sound alike, making them easy to mix up, especially in perfect tenses. Some irregular verbs look and sound similar. Don't mix them up. This introduces the idea that learners often confuse past tense and past participle forms of irregular verbs because they are visually close. I have drank water. It is an incorrect sentence. Drank is the past tense, not correct with have. He has broke the glass. Broke is also V2, not the past participle. The correct sentence is I have drunk water. Drunk is the past participle of drink. He has broken the glass. Broken is the V3 of break. Quick rule. In perfect tenses with has, have or had, always use the past participle form. Here's a quick reference list. Drink, drank, drunk. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Quiz time. Let's test what you have learned. Spot the error and correct it. Number 1. I have wrote a book. Wrote is the past tense of write, not suitable after have. The correct sentence is I have written a book. Rule: use V3 written after have. Number 2. She did went there. After did, we use base form, not past tense. The correct sentence is she did go there. Rule: after did, always use V1. Sentence number 3. They have ate already. Ate is the past tense of eat. The correct sentence is they have eaten already. After have, we use V3, eaten. Memory tip. Group verbs by pattern to remember them easily. This section introduces a powerful memory trick for learning irregular verbs, categorizing them into patterns. When learners group similar verbs, it's easier to recall and use them correctly in speaking and writing. Group number 1. Same in all three forms. These verbs do not change in past or past participle forms. Put, put, put. Cut, cut, cut. These are easy. Just remember the same word is used every time. Number 2. Same past and past participle. Here the second and third forms are identical, but the base verb is different. Buy, bought, bought. Teach, taught, taught. Focus on memorizing one new form. If you know the past, you know the participle too. Group number 3. All different. These are the trickiest verbs because all three forms are different. Go, went, gone. See, saw, seen. These require extra practice and repetition. Flashcards or a verb list can help. Summary. Let's recap. Use the correct verb form. Use V3 after has, have, had. Don't use past after did. Learn irregular verbs in group. Practice regularly and test yourself. Number 1. Use V3 after has, have and had. This is the present perfect or past perfect rule. I have went is an incorrect. I have gone. She had ate is an incorrect. She had eaten. Always use past participle after has, have, or had. Don't use past after did. This applies to simple past questions. Did you went? It's an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is did you go? After did, the verb must return to base form. Learn irregular verbs in group. As explained earlier, grouping verbs make learning easier. Group 1, no change. Put, put, put. Group 2, two forms are same. Buy, bought, bought. Group 3, all forms different. Go, went, gone. This trick saves time and strengthens memory. Practice regularly and test yourself. Mastery comes with consistent practice. Use flashcards, online quizzes, and mini tests. Enjoyed this lesson? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more grammar tips and share it with your friends who want to improve their English too. New videos coming soon. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching.